Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video we will be doing this quick little 4-leaf clover. If you have made my 9-inch bear in green, then this will be the clover that you'll want to use that'll fit on the tummy patch. If you have come here just to do the clover and now have decided you want to do the bear, I will have that linked down in the description. It will be actually to do this brown bear, but you'll be able to do the muzzle and the tummy in that video in the white, and then just choose whatever color of bear that you want to make. If you like my videos, you can help me out by hitting the subscribe button and you will be notified every time I load a new video. And I think that's it. So grab your yarn and let's get started. Okay, to begin, you're going to make a knot with a loop on the end. You can also use a slip knot or your chain 2 or magic circle, however you're used to starting anything that starts in the round. So you're going to fold your yarn over, wrap it around your finger, come down and through, just like you're going to make a chain. Grab your hook, insert it through the loop, grab your yarn, and chain 1. Now you're going to do 8 single crochets into this loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you can use your tail to pull that tighter if you need to. Now you're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet you made. So the first V. And then we're going to start a repeat of 4. So we're going to chain 2. And then in the next stitch, we're going to do 3 double crochets. So yarn over, insert in the next stitch, grab your yarn, pull up and through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn, go through the first 2 loops, grab your yarn again, and go through the last 2 loops. And we're going to do that 3 times. So that was 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into that next stitch. And we're going to repeat that 3 more times, so it'll be a total of 4 leaves. Chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch, 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and then slip stitch in the next stitch. Now you're going to chain 2 again, your 3 double crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, 1 and 2, and slip stitch in the next stitch. Now you're going to chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch, 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, 1 and 2, and then slip stitch in that next stitch. And now you have your 4 leaves. Now you're just going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to pull that tight and then tie off. Leave quite a bit of a tail if you're going to be sewing this onto something. And there we go. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and you will be notified every time I load a new video. As well as if you see anything in the background, there is a video on my channel that you can find if you hit all videos. The only thing not there right now is this little green bear, and he is the next thing I'll be videoing within the next few days. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and happy crocheting.